Hey guys, it's Sarah from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the RedRock 4x4 door hinge covers in gloss black, fitting your 07 through 18 four-door Jeep Wrangler JKs. These door hinge covers will protect your factory paint or cover existing scratches. They are constructed from injection molded ABS plastic with a gloss black finish. Coming in at around $50, they're a budget-friendly way to protect and change the look of your hinges. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. There are no tools required, although you may want to clean your hinges beforehand to get the most out of the adhesive. But with that said, this can be done in about 20 minutes, and let's jump right into our install. Alright, so the first step in our install is to peel back on this adhesive, and then we're going to stick it right over the hinge of the Jeep. Now we're on the driver's side, we want to make sure we pick the one with the hinge cutout up top here. Slide it over top of your hinge and press down to set the adhesive. Next step is to peel the adhesive off the back of these two smaller sections and stick it over the round part of our hinge. The one without the closed top goes on the bottom here. Make sure it's seated properly and then press it down. And then the one with the cap goes up top. Repeat those steps for the rest of your hinges. All right, that is going to do it for the review and install of our door hinge covers. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.